U.S. Election 2024. A legally troubled week for Donald Trump. Major developments have occurred in 3 of the 4 criminal cases that the probable Republican presidential nominee is facing, marking an exciting legal week for Donald Trump. After a court in Georgia found that Nathan Wade had an inappropriate relationship with Fani Willis, the district attorney for Fulton County, Nathan Wade resigned as special prosecutor in the Trump election tampering case. In a separate Florida lawsuit, Judge Aileen Cannon denied Trump's request to dismiss the case involving secret materials. A New York court postponed his trial on charges that he helped a pornographic actress pay hush money. The legal team representing Trump is likely satisfied with the previous week and believes they have scored a series of little triumphs, according to attorney Bernard Alexander of the Los Angeles-based firm Alexander Morrison Plus Fair, LLP, who spoke with Newsweek. In the hush money, classified materials, and Georgia election interference cases, as well as in other federal accusations pertaining to claims that he attempted to unlawfully alter the 2020 national election, Trump has pleaded not guilty to all counts. At 5:20 a.m. Eastern Time, Newsweek reached out to folks associated with Donald Trump's 2024 presidential campaign viaduct email. If anyone would like to leave a remark, this article will be revised. Trump has maintained in interviews and on his Truth Social website that the accusations leveled against him are based on political motives. On Tuesday, he became the Republican Party's leading candidate for president in November after winning multiple primaries. Friday, Judge Scott McAfee gave Willis the green light to keep charging Trump and his associates with violating Georgia law in their efforts to rescind the 2020 presidential election outcome. Nevertheless, the special prosecutor announced his resignation hours after McAfee instructed Willis to recuse herself or Wade from the investigation. McAfee went on to say that Willis's testimony was unprofessional and that he should have recanted at or Florida court hearing the day before. Cannon denied Trump's attorney's request to dismiss the Espionage Act accusations against him on the grounds that they are unconstitutionally vague. However, she did hint that the defense would bring up the issue again in associated with jury instruction briefing. In other news, on Thursday, Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg's office agreed to postpone Trump's hush money case by 30 days so that his team can review newly provided records from the U.S. Attorney's Office. However, they did say that this was a result of defendants' own delay. In response to the Georgia ruling, Alexander stated, "The prosecution's focus on Willis's choice of a paramour as special counsel was an attempt to deflect attention from the serious allegations that formed the basis of the state's RICO, Racketeer-Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, offense." With the judge's order, Trump achieved a public win, though a hollow one. Although Cannon declined Trump's request to dismiss the charges against him in the Florida case, Alexander stated that she did conclude that they warranted serious debate and that an eventual conclusion on Trump's unconstitutionality arguments will be delayed to another day. Alexander further by saying that Trump has the gift of a reprieve in the commencement of trial due to the postponement of the New York Stormy Daniels hush money case. Although he acknowledged that this brought the trial into the presidential race, he went on to say that it will give additional gasoline for Trump's claim of unfair persecution by liberal prosecutors or sympathizers.